Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are going to prepare Chengsu or Ahabi, which is a popular Manipuri evening snack. It is rice based and really spicy. I love it and I'm sure you're gonna love it too. But before we proceed, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification if you haven't yet, so that you never miss any of my updates. And now let's check out the ingredients. Rice grains, chives which I have finely chopped, nari or fermented dried fish, dried red chillies, salt, sliced onions, and finely chopped coriander leaves. Now let's start cooking. Take a pan, add your rice grains and slowly roast it on a low flame, stirring continuously until it turns light brown. In the same pan, we are going to roast our fermented dried fish and dried red chillies. Once done, keep it aside. Now take your grinder, add your roasted rice grains, roasted dried fish and roasted dried chilies. Pound them together into a fine powder. Once done, put this mix into a large bowl. Now add salt as per taste and mix it well. Finally add your sliced onions, finely chopped coriander leaves and chives. Mix them well. And here you go, our Chengsu is ready. The roast flavor from this delicious looking Chengshu is so inviting that I just can't wait to dig in now. Let me grab my spoon here. Just give it a quick mix. And here you go. The onions play a very important role as it gives this crunch to this powdery snack that we all love post our nap, and yeah, particularly afternoon naps, and are really enjoyed by Manipuri teenagers and women apparently. I'm not sure why the men would be left out. It has this beautiful grainy texture, and basically the dried red chilies and the roasted fermented dry fish also adds a lot of flavor. The chives and the coriander leaves really makes this dish peppy and definitely adds in a lot of flavor. Also, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and share it with your family and friends, and enjoy this delicious Manipuri style evening snack. And it's time for me to have them some more.